Hello, hello, Coach Bell here. Welcome back, future Google Ads Wiz. Now we're going to talk about keywords and something super important called keyword match types. Think of keywords as the specific words or phrases people type into Google when they're looking for something. And match types? Well, those are like different levels of how closely their search needs to match your keywords for your ad to show up. It's all about making sure our sublimation shirt billboard shows up to the people who are actually looking for awesome custom apparel. Let's start with broad match. This is the widest net you can cast with your keywords. If you use a broad match keyword like sublimation shirt, your ad can show up if someone's search includes any of those words in any order and might even include other words too. It's like if your lemonade stand signs just said drinks, you might attract people looking for soda or juice, not just lemonade. The pro or advantage of broad match is that it can give you a very wide reach and help you discover new keywords you might not have thought of. The con or the disadvantage, and it's a big one for beginners, is that you can end up spending a lot of money on clicks from people who are not actually looking for sublimation apparel. It's like attracting people to your drink stand who only want water, not your delicious lemonade. As a newbie, be very careful with broad match. It's often better to start with more specific match types and use broad match more strategically later on. And once you have a better understanding of what people are searching for. Next up is phrase match. This is like putting your lemonade stand in a specific part of the sidewalk, like near the park entrance. To use phrase match, you put quotation marks around your keywords phrase like this. Now your ad will show up if someone's search includes that exact phrase or close variation of it and might have words before or after the phrase. See? The core phrase sublimation of polishers is in all those searches. This is more specific than broad match and helps you reach people who are more likely interested in our polo shirts made with sublimation printing. Finally, we have exact match. This is like setting up your lemonade stand right in front of someone who specifically asked for lemonade. To use exact match, you put square brackets around your keyword like this. Now your ad will show up only when someone searches for that exact phrase or very close variations like misspellings, singular or plural forms, or abbreviations. See how specific that is? These are the people who know exactly what they're looking for. High quality sublimated jerseys for their sports teams. And this match type usually gives you the most relevant traffic. The pro or advantage of exact match is that you are likely to get the most relevant clicks, meaning the people who click on your ads are highly interested in what you are selling. This can lead to higher conversion rates, more sales, meaning, and the con or disadvantage is that you might miss out on potential customers who use slightly different but still relevant search terms. It's like only attracting people who ask for lemonade and missing those who ask for freshly squished lemon drink. So when should you use which match type? Here's a quick rundown. As you are starting out, I recommend focusing on phrase match and exact match keywords. They will give you more control over who sees your ads and help you get more relevant traffic for your sublimation apparel business. You can always add more broad match keywords later on for discovery, but make sure you actively monitor your search terms and use negative keywords to prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant searches. match types is like learning the different ways your customers might ask for your awesome sublimation shirts. By using them correctly, you'll be well on your way to getting found by the right people. And then up next, we will explore how to target specific audiences. See you there.